Looks like my ear. The best food ever. Hi, I'm Miao. Welcome to watch my video about Beijing daily life. I hope I can give you some advice about traveling in Beijing. Today is December 21st. This day has been a very important one. Today is Winter Solstice. The Winter Solstice is a traditional Chinese sacrificial festival. In ancient times, people prepared sacrificial offerings early in the morning, bringing them to pay respect to their ancestors, hoping for their blessings and praying for the good luck and a bountiful harvest in the coming year. Do you know the Temple of Heaven in Beijing? The emperors of Ming and Qing Dynasties would go to the temple on this day, pray for blessings. And nowadays, people no longer perform sacrifice, but there is one tradition has been preserved. Do you know what? Eating dumplings. In northern China, there is a custom of eating dumplings on the winter solstice. Since I was a kid, my mom told me that if I don't eat dumplings on this day, my ears will freeze off. No one told me that the connection between these two things. After winter solstice, the weather enters its coldest phase. We also start counting the nights. It means starting from the winter solstice, every 9 days is considered one night. We continue counting until the ninth night, in total of 81 days. After the 81 days, it signifies the arrival of spring. In fact, we have a catchy rhyme about it. I will translate its meaning in English, but I can't memorize the English version, so I will read it. 1 night, 2 night, don't lift a finger because it's cold. 3 night, 4 night, walk on ice. 5 night, 6 night, watch the willows by the river. 7 night, the river thawns. 8 night, swallows arrive. 9 night plus 1 night, oxen plow the fields. It means the arrival of spring. In Chinese, these lines rhyme and they are easy to remember. So everyone can recite a couple of lines. Clearly, I don't know how to make dumplings. So today I'm at my friend's house. He has a yard, and his mom is making dumplings for us. That is strange because we think making dumplings is so complicated, but the older generation finds it simple. They usually say, let's eat something simple today. Make dumplings. I don't know what's the simple about it. Okay, let's go inside the room and to learn together how to make dumplings. Let's go. See, prepare the dough by gradually adding the water in it, mixing them together. Knead the dough until it becomes smooth and no longer sticky. After kneading, let the dough rest. Let it sit about 30 minutes until it becomes softer. This is pork. Today we make pork filling with different vegetables. See, now it's become very soft. And divided it into several portions. This is a fiddle, and I mix the fiddle with the pork filling. Do you guys know fiddle? I think it's only eat in China. You smile it, you can feel it's salty or not, usually, but I don't know. See, put the filling in the center. And fold the wrapper in half and pinch the edges tightly together to form a crescent shape. See, I make a dumpling. Looks like crescent. Another filling, spicy chili with pork. Ta-da! The third filling, Chinese pickled cabbage with the pork. I really like this filling. You know, if you ask my auntie or my mom how many flour, how much water, how weight of this one filling, they don't know. Chinese cooking doesn't have the precise measurement, unlike the Western baking. It all depends on feel. So if you look at the Chinese recipe, it usually says some, a little, so making it so hard to handle. Once the water boiled, then we can put the dumplings in. See? Yummy. Add cold water and wait for the water to boil again. As long as the dumplings float, they are done. The steaming hot dumplings are on the table. Time to eat. After eat these dumplings, I won't freeze off my ears this winter. I hope your ears don't freeze off either. Ear looks like my ear.
完了，你给我坐这儿吧。现在坐下，我那茶包往上推。
The best food ever. So time to eat. Cheers. Thank you for watching my today's vlog. All my videos are about Beijing culture and Beijing life. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.